Congratulations, you've made it to the very end of this course on exam strategy, mindset, and study tips. Throughout this course, we've covered a wide variety of different topics, and everything that you've learned in this course is meant to prepare you for whatever certification exam that you're going to take. Let's recap what we've learned. In section one, I introduced this course as a whole, and I also introduced myself. Again, my name is Nick Mendez, and I'm the founder of Teach Me It. We offer a wide variety of different educational courses, both free courses and paid, in different types of study material like practice exams, study guides, and much, much more. I talked mainly in section one, video one, about the importance of knowing about certification strategies and course tips. The reason why is because I believe whenever we study for an exam, we're not just paying the cost of actually buying those books, buying those courses, and paying for that exam, but we're also paying the price with our time. Again, if your time is worth 30 US dollars per hour and you study for a 50-hour course, if you fail that exam, you just wasted 50 hours of your time, over $1,500. So always keep your time value in mind whenever you're doing anything in your professional journey. Even if it's just studying for certification exams, you need to be aware of how much your time is worth. In section two, we went over study tips. We're going to cover that in a second. In section three, we went over week before the exam tips, day before the exam tips, exam strategy, and common mistakes to avoid on your exams. To recap section two, we learned about the three different types of learning and the different ways that we can use our primary learning style in order to find the best materials for us and the best way to study. Additionally, we learned how to build a personal study plan as well as a good study environment in order to maintain and keep our focus. We also talked about the use of practice exams, when they should be done, when they should be used, and when you're more likely better suited to avoid using them. Additionally, we talked about mindset from the studying perspective. Not many people talk about that. Most instructors, if they're giving advice for an exam, they talk about the advice that you use when you're taking the exam. Not many instructors talk about the before the exam, the actual studying. So you need the right mindset, not only for taking the exam, but also for studying for the exam, which is exactly what we covered in section two. In section three, we talked about the week before, day before, and day of your exam. We also went over different types of exam strategies that you should implement when you're taking your exam and common exam mistakes to avoid in order to make the most out of your exam attempt. Overall, you've done a great job at getting through this entire course. There was a lot of material that we covered, but I'm confident using the study sheets, building your own study plan, and using all of the tips, strategies, and common mistakes to avoid that we've showed you here in this course, you're going to do great on whatever certification exam that you take. And overall, that's the conclusion to this course. If you'd like, you can stay for the rest of this video where we're going to cover some more courses that you can take after this one in order to maximize your learning and continue on your learning journey. If you're not going to continue, no problem. This officially is the end of this course. Great job and congratulations on finishing. Moving on, here are some free courses that you can take next. Our productivity and time management course is great for managing your time and improving your productivity over time. We may be sectioning this off into two separate courses, so by the time you see this, this might be a little bit different. We also have our resume and interview tips course, as well as our Start Your Career course. In the Start Your Career course, we cover a wide variety of topics as it relates to cybersecurity, information technology, and project management careers. We also have the Build Your LinkedIn course, which is by far our most in demand and most popular course. If you're looking to build a good LinkedIn, we cover so much in this course. We give you many different free resources. We give you banners that you can edit for your LinkedIn to make it look professional. We show you exactly step by step how to build your LinkedIn, and much, much more. That way you can succeed on your job search. There's so much going on in that course, and we've got a lot of great content, so make sure you check that one out. Additionally, if you're looking to pursue anything related to the PMP exam or the PMP certification, check out these courses next. We have our full-length 35-hour PMP course, which is 35 hours of full content, and it allows you to be eligible to actually take the PMP exam. That's this course here. This is a paid exam. Again, it's 35 hours, but it comes with a lot of amazing content. You get your certificate of completion so you can apply to take the PMP exam. You can also get our free full-length ebook in that course as well. So my entire PMP ebook is included, and we give you free practice exams, study guides, and much, much more in this PMP course. Additionally, if you're looking for more practice for the PMP exam, you can buy our PMP practice exams. These are full-length practice exams. They are paid, but they're well worth the money because we spent a lot of time writing these questions out, adding visuals, making sure all the answers are correct. We have multiple certified PMPs reviewing these questions. This is a great, great product if you're looking to find something in terms of PMP practice exams to test your PMP knowledge. Additionally, we have 3 free courses down here, a PMP Fast Track crash course that's available free on our website. on the PMP Formula Math and Mini course. That's free on both our website and Udemy. And lastly, our PMP Mindset Strategy Mini course is free on YouTube, our website, and on Udemy as well. So overall, those are just a few of the different courses that we have to offer. Again, we have multiple practice exams, multiple courses. We've got a lot of material if you're serious about continuing your learning journey and finding high quality study material. Overall, you've done a great job in this course, and I'm wishing you the best of luck in your learning journey. Again, my name is Nick Mendez, and it's been a pleasure teaching you throughout this course. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.